These are 10 amazing gadgets for home that you can buy on Amazon in 2024, and they're seriously some of the most practical and game-changing items for you and your family. Bid farewell to pet litter box odors with this innovative Japanese invention crafted for spaces up to 49 square meters. Operating at a maximum noise level of 37 decibels, rest assured it won't startle your pet. Not only does this device eliminate up to 99% of bacteria and viruses within just 2 to 3 hours, but it also ensures a fresh and clean environment. Secure yours now for $349. Introducing the next generation controller known as Brilliant, specifically designed for smart homes. Its standout feature is advanced lighting control, catering to smart bulbs such as Philips Hue and Casa Smart. The Brilliant app seamlessly facilitates easy scheduling and scenario settings. For example, customize your lighting to illuminate upon entering a room and automatically switch off when you depart. Beyond lighting, Brilliant harmoniously integrates with climate control, audio systems, and various other smart devices within your household. Elevate your home automation experience with the Brilliant controller, available at the attractive price of $63. Meanwhile, the plumbing experts at Kohler have unveiled a groundbreaking faucet. What sets it apart from the competition is its unique ceiling-mounted design. This innovative approach allows you to hold the faucet in your hand, giving you the flexibility to direct the water jet precisely where you need it, be it into a pot on the stove or a glass. For added convenience, the manufacturer recommends using a special sensor block to effortlessly control the flow of water. One variant of this exceptional faucet comes equipped with a 2.1-meter hose and is available at a price of $1,878. Elevate your kitchen experience with this cutting-edge, ceiling-mounted faucet from Kohler. In the United States alone, the annual damage caused by various types of water leaks is estimated to reach a staggering $13 billion. When juxtaposed with this substantial figure, the investment of $30 seems quite reasonable. Enter the Moen flow sensor, priced exactly at that point. This device offers continuous monitoring for potential leaks and promptly notifies homeowners upon detection. For an additional layer of protection, Moen flow sensors can be seamlessly complemented with a specialized system that automatically shuts off the water in the event of a leak, providing enhanced security for your property. Guard against potential water-related damages with the Moen flow sensor and its proactive leak detection capabilities. The Eufy 340 camera distinguishes itself as a standout security device among its peers. With its ability to capture a 360 degrees horizontal view, this camera excels in identifying and tracking individuals up to 15 meters away, responding not only to people but also to pets like cats, dogs, and even vehicles. Adding to its versatility, it also functions as a light source. Accessing the footage is convenient, whether through Wi-Fi or by using a micro SD card. The Eufy 340 camera is now available for purchase at the price of $220. Elevate your security surveillance with this comprehensive and multifunctional device. Cooking enthusiasts, brace yourselves for the exciting introduction of the CIARRA Portable Range Hood. Meet CIARRA, a compact extractor boasting impressive features neatly packed into its small frame of 3 filters. Simply switch on the extractor, positioned within 10 centimeters from your stove, and bid farewell to smoke-related inconveniences. CIARRA offers 2 speeds, providing flexibility in its performance. This remarkable kitchen companion can be yours for just $170. Upgrade your culinary experience with the CIARRA Portable Range Hood. Place your trust in the GEME Composter to handle your kitchen leftovers with efficiency. This remarkable machine can accommodate up to 19 liters of waste, including vegetable scraps and bread crusts, yielding an impressive daily compost output of up to 2 kilograms. Operating quietly, it ensures your conversations with friends remain undisturbed. Adding to its appeal, the industrial gray deodorization system adeptly addresses any unpleasant odors. The only consideration is the price, which stands at $900. Invest in the GEME Composter for a seamless and odor-free waste management solution in your kitchen. Are you familiar with the art of selling a clothesline for $27? Here's a simple strategy. Package it in a compact case featuring a coiling mechanism reminiscent of a vacuum cleaner cord. With this design, your clothesline is ready to impress. Capable of supporting up to 25 kilograms and stretching to 4.2 meters, it includes a set of 10 clothespins. Elevate your laundry experience with this innovative and convenient clothesline solution. The creators of Dreo express unwavering confidence in the groundbreaking nature of their innovation, surpassing the capabilities of any traditional floor fan. Dreo stands as a technological wonder, boasting a plethora of features and options. With Wi-Fi and voice control, it supports Alexa and Google, offering a 120 degrees horizontal and 105 degrees vertical oscillation, along with 6 modes and 8 speeds. Despite its impressive capabilities, Dreo operates at a mere 25 decibels, quieter than a whispered conversation. Adding to its allure, the timer function ensures the device automatically turns off if the soothing air lulls the user to sleep. Dreo is now available for purchase at the price of $91. Upgrade your cooling experience with this advanced and quiet fan technology. Seeking optimal comfort during your viewing sessions of the latest Tech Zone videos? Look no further than the Oversized electric recliner chair. This state-of-the-art electric rocking chair offers a 360 degrees rotation and allows you to customize the angle from 90 to 135 degrees for your utmost comfort. As an added convenience, it features USB ports for charging your favorite gadgets, showcasing just a glimpse of its multifunctionality. Explore the full range of capabilities this chair has to offer, all at the enticing price of $430. Elevate your relaxation and viewing experience with the Oversized electric recliner chair. And this concludes our list of the 10 amazing gadgets for home that you can buy on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful,